Hello everybody, welcome to How to Jeopardy. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Jeopardy with Microsoft PowerPoint, which should be free because your school should allow you to use any Microsoft product. So we're going to start by hitting Control M to add a new slide and just delete the default things that will pop up. Go to Insert, Table, and then 5 by 6 as it's something we need for Jeopardy. Then it doesn't really matter how big you make your chart, but for the sake of space efficiency, so it doesn't look like it's empty, and for the sake of time, because this is just an example of how you can do it, we're going to do this. We're going to hit Control Shift down, and then right, and then we're going to just go here, click on that. Now everything's in the middle, so now we just go ahead and hit space. This will be Category 1, Category 2, Category 3, and Category 4, and then Category 9. Because everybody knows 9 is the next one up. And then this will be the 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500 would go here. And this would just be the same for all of the next ones. So now Control M, Control M. So when we get to this part, you essentially just put the question. So you don't need this part, you just need this one. So we're going to call this Cat 1 for Category 1, 100. So, and then we're going to put question 1 because I don't really want to make up a question. Oh wait, you know what? I feel like that might be confusing, so let's just show you how it works. Who should you subscribe to? Okay, so there's your question. Now this is an important part right here. What you're going to do is you're going to hit link, and you're going to click it, page in this document, and then who should you subscribe to? Should be the page you click. Now you go to insert, you go to pictures. Actually, let's not do pictures right now. Let's do online pictures because it's a little easier. Now we wait for the online pictures to load. This can take a little bit depending on your internet connection. I don't have any pictures downloaded to my computer, but optionally you can download a picture to use if you have any in mind. But for the sake of argument, this is my favorite one to use actually, so we're just going to hit insert. And then they will give you design ideas, so we're going to go ahead and use one. Now, we got to go ahead here. Let's go ahead and put the answer to the question, who should you subscribe to? And of course, we all know the answer is Jacob is death, or this channel here is the one you should subscribe to. So now we got to link this to that. Let's go back to the link button, click link. Jacob is death is the answer we want. Now we got that set up. So now we go to insert, online picture, home. This one's my favorite of the ones that pop up, so we're going to use it. We're over here, design ideas. I kind of feel like this and this look different enough to where it's kind of cool to do it. So now we do this. We will link it to slide number 2. So now let's go ahead and show you how it works. Now you introduce yourself to the class and what the Jeopardy is. And let's go ahead and boom, there we go. So now that you introduce yourself in the class, and then you're like, okay, class, which category do you want to go to? And they're like, well, we want category 1 for 100. You Control Shift click it, and you read the question, who should you subscribe to? They give an answer, and then you're like, okay, it's wrong or that's right, and then you go next. And the answer was Jacob is dead. And you make sure they also subscribe. You should subscribe too while you're doing that. And then you just go home afterwards, and it will turn purple. The purple means that that question's been answered and asked. So on a separate sheet of paper, you mark down the group that did it or the person, and there you go. So you keep score. A completed one, I have an example from one that I've used. This is from one of my classes. This is about the 3 branches of Judaism. Let's say they want the Judaism for 500. We just go to Judaism 100. In what chapters of the Bible were the Jews freed? Oh, what's the answer? What's the answer? Exodus 14. Optionally, you can link it to our website where you can get more evidence, but we're not going to do that. And then you just go home, get back here. It's really well done. It's really quick. It's really easy, and it's rather fun to do, I guess. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye, everybody. Peace out. Hope this helped.